I have a question here which says, start the figure below of an inclined plane. So you have an inclined plane here with height 5 meters and the base 12 meters. We don't have the height for the diagonal one, but the question says, and we have this is a box of some kind. We can call it a load. All right, let's call this as load. The load is 60 kg and the load is being put up. We can clearly say that the load is being put up by a force of 500 newtons, isn't it? So now they're saying calculate the mechanical advantage. So in this question, we are going to assume that this inclined plane is frictionless. That means there's no friction encountered during the motion of the load. So how do we find mechanical advantage? So let's look at the solutions here. We know that mechanical advantage, okay, is equal to load. We divide by what? With a slash. We divide by what? Effort. And from here, our load is 60, but it has to be newtons. So in this case, we are going to get gravity as 10. So we are going to say 60 we multiply by 10. 10 is gravity over 500. So mechanical advantage, it will be 600 by 500, 1.2. That is your answer there. So you get 2 marks from there. If I had to put 2 marks here and here 2 marks. Okay, that is part A. Part B says velocity ratio. Now we know that velocity ratio is equal to the distance moved by the effort. We divide by the distance moved by the load. Now take note here. The distance moved by the effort is the one which is the height. So this is the distance moved by the effort. Sorry, the load. It's the distance moved by the load. But do we know the distance moved by the effort? Since this is the effort here, so the distance moved by the effort will be in that So from here to there, that will be the distance moved by the effort. That's what we are looking for. We can find that using Pythagoras theorem, where we square this, we also square this, then we add, then we find the square root, right? Let us first find DE. DE, we are saying 12 squared plus 5 squared, then we square root. So DE is equal to, find the square root of that. So 12 squared is 144. 144 plus 5 squared is 25. So the square root of 169 is actually 13. So distance moved by the effort is 13. Then we can say the loss ratio is equal to distance moved by the effort, which is 13 meters, over distance moved by the load, this one here, 5 meters. So dividing that one by 5, we're getting 2.6 as your velocity ratio. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. For further revisions, we shall meet.